Okay, the next topic on your SLO is expressions and simplifying them. So with number 4 on your SLO, it's going to look something along these lines. 10b minus 5c plus 6b plus 8c. So in order for the terms to be considered like, they got to have the same exponent and the same variable. And in order to combine them, we just have to add or subtract the number in front. As far as the variable goes, it remains the same. But you can draw these boxes in front of each, whatever sign is in front is attached to it. So you just connect the sign that's in front. And since there's no sign in front of the 10, that merely means that it's positive. But, all right, so these have the same variable. So if I want to combine them, all I have to do is 10 plus 6. So I just add those coefficients, and then I just keep the variable the same. And then I just add the, do exactly what it says. So I'm taking a negative 5 and negative 5, and then I'm going to add 8 to it, which will give me a positive 3. So I have to put the plus sign in my answer. Now again, these are not equations. You're not solving for any variable. Your instructions for these is to simply simplify them. And you have 2 of them. So the next one's going to make you do the distributive property with a negative. So if I have an example like this, okay, that's my K, and they're both going to be negative on your SLO as far as what you're distributing through. Let's see if I can squeeze that in there. That's another K. Alright, and I multiply this through. Again, the only thing here with the distributive property, yes, you are multiplying whatever's in front to whatever's on the inside. So a negative 2 times a negative 3 is positive 6. So really just watch your signs when you multiply. So a negative times a positive for the second one would be a negative answer. So you just put a negative. All right, now negative what? Negative 6. So I have negative 6k. And then I do it again on this side. So since the negative 9 is in front of the parentheses, I'd have to distribute that through. And again, I'd have 2 negatives being multiplied here. So that would need to be a positive 36. Okay, G. And then a negative 18. Okay. And now, that's the only thing that's really different compared to 4, because now it's just like number 4. So now we're just going to combine like terms. And whatever sign is in front is attached, and then I just connect the ones that are alike. So I do as it says, 6 plus 36 is 42. And negative 6 minus 18. So if we struggle with this, it's always usually dealing with the negative. That just means you're going to start at negative 6. You're going to start at negative 6, and then you're going to go to the left 18 more spots. So essentially it's like adding 6 and 18 together, getting 24, but keeping it negative since I'm going further to the left. Your calculator also does obviously negative 6 minus 18, but that would be your final answer. Again, these are expressions, you are not solving them.